What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm doing a bit more this week because there's something special about this week. Apart from I'm going to be on the trains tomorrow for a change on a Friday, I'm going to be viewing a video for you today for a very special reason. Apologies for the mess around the layout, but I can't do much about that, I'm afraid. My railway is sorting out the tracks and everything else. So I'm gonna switch it on, ready to go. For today's video, we have got another unboxing for you. Probably could be my potential last unboxing for this year. Might be the second to last one. Class Rally is my next one I'm looking again for this year, if I can get it. So, for today, just arrived yesterday, is the first Great Western HST pack, or HT Power Cars. First Great Western HST set with 43070, and that's the power car, and 43039. So, and obviously, as I always show, the history is on the back as normal. So it is just like the other ones. Put into service in 1979 or 1997, that one said. Okay. From 1976, the first of the four of, and 1982 to the first Great Western 43002. In the 1990s, the VTEC Class 43 Great Western sets with a 12,000 considerable engines of diesel hybrid engines was first introduced in the 1990s to replace the old slant-door trains. In 2007, the first of the two sets of the diesel hybrid locomotives was marked of one of the most efficient, fastest and comfortable trains. In 1983, the cross-country sets were by Network Rail and Virgin Trains, which we all know, also Grand Central, East Midlands and East Coast, and Junior, as well as First Great Western sets, and they later came as FGW sets. In April 2006, First Great Western power cars of 43 on the 19th of November 1977, later the October 16 and 19,000, I think it is, miles to 16,000 miles in on the 16th 2007, later replaced in 2008. So I think a lot of them were replaced by 2008, 2009 to newer units. So this beauty here, she's been running for nearly almost 50 years. So as slightly in the city, she's a little older than nearly 50 years. She's just about 50 years old, the British Railway City. This one is slightly younger. Not by much though. It all came out of a fairly similar era. So in here we're viewing an unboxing First Great Western HST pack, and the first time in the last couple of years. So it'd be nice to return to this one with a new set, and it's got a nameplate, but it's not etched, sadly, because they didn't give me the badge to put it on. So here we go. We're gonna open it up. hopefully the camera can pick this up for you. I'm going to try to show you how it all works for the new viewers who watch my channel. And as you do, you're getting the polystyrene tray out and make sure nothing else is in the box when you're removing the tray. That will go underneath my bed later with the other ones. And open up a little cardboard card over the top. Before we show you the trains themselves, just got to quickly flick through the structure manual for your class 43 HST DCC ready on board. So it's not fitted with digital system yet, but I'm going to be cracking on with this railway. Now I'm going to start cracking on with it because it's leading up to winter and it's now nearly October. I really need to get this sorted, but I need to get my room organised before I can start working on this. So, how to lubricate your train. Very small thin drops of oil. And you can see you just need a little cotton wool bud or a needle, little thin needle, drop it down into the behind the bearings where the little driving system is, or you can drop it onto the actual cogs for the wheels and let it drive around the rest of the unit, which is how I do it. Move bogey to the left and move bracket screws, and then lift the shelf forward slightly to the front and then slides off gently because there's wires. And it also says do not play on wheel tracks. Very important, do not play on wheel tracks, they are dangerous to say the least. I've seen too many idiots on the railway this year. So yeah, do not play on the wheel tracks. You will get yourself badly injured or you'll get fined. One of the two. We also got couplers just there. They're stone style couplers, they're not like the British stone style couplers. But anyway, here we go. Here they are in the box. It looks like it's had a small box for them, but there we go. We're going to get the power car out first, I think, and then we'll work onto the train car. So, take it down. And here's the first Great Western HST set, the premium model by Hornby. And I know a lot of people say, what? Why? Another one? Well, as I said before, my love for the HSTs are special because these are the trains I travelled on as a kid. These were the trains I grew up around with during the 90s and the year 2000. They were everywhere. And 2007, 2008, they were replaced by, later replaced by the modern trains, which weren't the HSTs. They were replaced by another class. I think it was the 390 sets by Virgin. I think that's what they were replaced by at that point. I know a lot of people say, why do you keep collecting the HSC? Apart from the diesel hybrids, they're also very efficient, reliable. Diesel hybrids, they're British made, and they still hold value to the British railway industry even now, even though not, the high priority of the railway industry like they used to be, but they still hold value for a lot of people, even for me, because they are diesel hybrids. They had a top speed of 148 miles per hour, and they had considered a diesel hybrid engine that output the engine 3,500 horsepower diesel hybrid engines on board at both ends. So they make them very efficient, but also very reliable, comfortable, and fast. They could get you A to B to one part of the country to another fairly quickly, and they would be fairly efficient to what they could do. But obviously, time has changed since then, and they came along with a different design with the newer trains called the 802s, the 390s, and then a couple of others along beside them. So yeah, these are replaced by those sets, and Cosroad still owns one, and the Rotor version, which is Midland Pullman 43, which is the first cast train, and there's still a couple of purpose rail set, and there's cross country still available in some places of the country on the main line somewhere. And yeah, Never Rail owns one. I didn't able to see that sadly, but there we go. So what do we have? We have opening doors on this particular set. We do have fans, but they're not spinning. I don't mind that. I don't mind it at all actually, because it affects the unit of the performance of it. So, you know, she has open doors, she's got handrails, and delivery is very spot on. She is one of the few I never viewed properly of her, but I now have for you guys to see. And yeah, that's all I can say about her. She is a first Great Western HST diesel hybrid engine, class 43. And this one has got a electrical warning, and then an overhead system, and then the classification system on the back of the power car, which I can't read it because it's so small, my eyes can't pick it up. But yeah, crew engineering works, storage sheds. So this one was inbuilt in crew, but she didn't have a badge, which is a sad thing, but you can get them, you can get the badges for them now. So I'm going to put it down on the track and leave her on the track ready for her other half, because I haven't made the room for her yet, but I'm going to put her up there once the video is done. And alongside of her, I'm going to bring out another one that I've used back in the summer, or earlier summer, which you'll see shortly. So here's her other half, first Great Western training car, and it's with the old slam door type train. Just a training car really, no motorised unit, just a quite a nice training car. It's just very much identical to the other unit, except from the engine really. Yeah. 430636. So again, just the same livery, same detail, almost identical to the other unit. And obviously this is probably the modern one, isn't it? It does look more modern than the other one does. Actually, it does look a bit more modern, because the 43s do not have, the older 43s do not have this higher roof panel on top. It used to be just level with the chimneys, or they lined up with the chimneys, but now they moved them. How strange. So let's get her down to the track and get her moving. She has been running, just a heads up. I ran in last night when I got her to make sure she was all running nice and smoothly. She had a full running half an hour in, so she will be good to go. And I will get some coaches for her next week. Can she run fast? Well, I wanted to, I think. But what's the fastest speed she's ever go? Well, it's going to pick up as it is. And I'll slow down a little bit. So what's going to go with her? What's going to go with her train? I'm going to put her behind the, I'm going to put the coaches in the middle for her. And I'll move the camera around so you guys can see. And I will rate it as well towards the end of this video as well, before I put it up. Oops. Put that out there. weather is a little bit frosty out there, but it is nearly October. So I'm going to go try my best to keep my feet out of the shots as much as possible for this video. I want you to focus on itself. And I'm going to put the Great Western coach, not the purple one, but you'll see them in the model rally video next week at some point, because I will put them lined up. But we'll be putting the car to set charges for now. So that way she's got something to pull. And it's not accurate, but at least it is something. Obviously she was being pulled by the green one, not the purple one. Training car can go on the back. Oops. Putting that on the train. What's planned for the rest of the day today? Well, apart from making this video today, I haven't really got much else planned. Just got some things to organise really for this video and probably get my room sorted out, I guess. I'll press speed a little bit. So, Bryce is going to join her on the railway today. I think there are a few other things too. I'm trying to think what other thing you could probably put on the railway for this one. Oh, there is that. I'm going to get just do railway train. Let me just put it back on. There we go. He just wants to do it everywhere. I think for the most part we're going to go with, we might go with one other set for today, just because we've got Intercity up here, Genial coaches, and that is a Bridge Rolling City. I fancy this Midlands coach. I see this Midlands one. I'm very surprised I'm not seeing this Midlands coach. Well, I've seen that one, but not seen them. And I do have East Midland coaches because I've reviewed them. Did they fall down? Or did they been moved? I can't remember if I moved them or not. I'm pretty sure I didn't move them. Two city runs there and there's one that's back in the coast. Oh, I see them. I see them. Hidden. So I put them down earlier. But yeah, just going to grab these Midlands train. Otherwise you can join on this journey for today. So East Midlands is going to be on this list to add to the unboxing because obviously she's already been unboxed this year and I got both East Coast and East Midlands in the same month, so pretty good going where it goes to it. Need to move these two boxes down and don't fall over so easily. And we'll just make a short run with these Midlands as well during this video. Is there anything exciting happened over Friday? There's a rail, or kind of rail tour thing happening between Devon and going down Plymouth, but I don't know what it is. It went down today because he had a pair of binoculars on it. It's supposed to go back up anyway on Friday evening, so I might catch Class 43. We'll probably see it coming past him through Dort on Friday evening at 6:30 or 7-ish. So just not too up again, but we'll get some carriages for her. Just going to lean over to go move them before they're around so she can once it's playing again. I understand that. It was only fine earlier. Excuse me. Is the train all ready to go? I think so. Let's just try and get a comfortable speed. Well, I'll catch in this corner. Slow you down a little bit. And to go past, I'll do one thing past. Yeah, she's a fast train. Yeah, I don't know why it's clunking like that. I have no idea what it's coming for. doing a closet ramming on the back wheel. I'm waiting for her. She's the same as the rest of them. I definitely give her a 10 out of 10. She's probably well detailed, well, livery spot on. She's got direction lights, tail lights, cab lights, all the things that you can ask for a premium model train. She's got sprung doors so you can open them. It's just a feature. She has a little sticker above X nameplate on the front power car in the postcode Western. Other than that, she is well presented train. She's still a beauty in my eyes. But for me, yeah, she's fabulous. Hopefully in many years to come, she's going to be well presented on all our photos for the Twitter page and Instagram for the 43 that I own, and I'll be updating the picture of them once I get the network rail one, to have the year off with that one. But not wide, and it always goes. I wonder it always has to be one of them. So we'll get a couple more shots of her. We'll get a couple more shots of her and then wind it off. And I'm going to move the older controller out the way, because it's going to be on line 2 on the side, so line 12 and line 12. The other line is being operational. So we're going to call it off here with this particular train, and we'll put away for the day. Does she go backwards pretty well? Yeah, she does. She does pretty well both ways. She's a premium model by Hornby. You know, she is out of date. Well, she's getting on in the premium range. She's pretty old, but that doesn't mean anything. She is a reliable and efficient train, and she's been loved by many British people over the years. So I don't think she will have a problem at all. Right, we'll have a quick pass by with the East Midlands train. I do have 2 other trains as well I bought this year. So if you want to see her in action, that Mulberry videos and how to build the Mulberry series, I'm going to be making a video on all that very soon, just before November. So all that's going to be planned out very soon. So hopefully by the end of this year I will be making all the HSTs I have got on all the ones I already collected, and I'll make a big video on it to the end of this year. So this is another one I'm going to quickly show you. I know a lot of people have seen the East Midland one, but I'm going to put it on today and just let them run. What happened to the coupling? I have no idea. I might have to temporarily put the temporal one on, because I think my original one for this particular train is actually on the 58 at the moment. But anyhow, just for now, I will put a original train original coupler back on after the video. I know where it is. It's on one of the 58 when I did the running of it a few weeks ago. Just haven't taken it off of it yet. So let's just end this video off with the East Midlands. HST set, and we'll call it there. A lot of people that see different trains, that's why I'm giving you the two today. The main one was for the first Great Western set, but I just want to end this video off with Boy. There she is. And it's usually raised. Here you go. When you put that away like that, you can see these movements a little bit better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give a like, comment, subscribe, and turn the notifications to keep up with what I've got left coming out this year. It's been 43 sets, and with the railway itself. Of course, things are going to change over this year. But yeah, if you like both of the videos, I will redo unboxing these Midland 43 set maybe over Christmas, because I'm thinking I did a great job of it, but I'm going to come back to at least one more time before the end of the year so I leave YouTube. But yeah, this year has been not too bad when it comes to model trains, but disappointing with the whole railway industry, the lack of unusual videos, but there we go. Here's your trains. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day, and peace out.